All right, everybody. Welcome back. I'm going to show you today how you are able to see your Facebook ads that you're running, how they can report inside of GoHighLevel. So, as most of you know, if you're running Facebook ads, you have your Meta Ads Manager, and you can go in there and look at all your different accounts, your different ad campaigns, and you can see all of the analytics of those campaigns. But you can also link them in GoHighLevel. And so I want to show you how you can do that today. It's really simple, really quick. So what you're going to start off is going to be here on, and I'm just starting off here in a demo account, but we're going to go here down to our reporting. Couldn't find it there for a second. This is just a demo that pops up whenever you're in a new account. So this will be in every new account, and it kind of just gives you an idea of what this will look like inside of GoHighLevel. But to get them get it integrated, you're going to go to, so if let's say you're doing Google ads, it would kind of work the same way. But if I'm doing Facebook ads, I'd go here, and it's going to take us to your settings, which it'll bring it into integrations. So you can get it through either one, or if you've already connected it on the Launchpad. But I'm going to go ahead and connect a Facebook page. So it's going to bring me to a new window, and that's going to ask me what pages I want to connect. So if you haven't already logged in, like on the browser, it might ask you to log into, so you just need your password and login information. But since I've already done that on this browser, I'm going to click this ad campaign, and I'm going to I'm going to click that Facebook page. So after I've done that, then in here, I'm going to click what ad campaign I want. So I'm running it off this one. And so then I should be able to go to my Facebook ads. So here we go. So you have this. And I haven't set it up to on this campaign, I hadn't set up the pixel to be able to show conversions, so you're not seeing any conversions here right now. But as you can see, got about 1,000 clicks through to this business, and you can see that this is kind of like over the length of the campaign, and the campaign kind of tampers off, as most campaigns do, and so you've got to re-optimize them, launch new campaigns. But anyways, that is how you integrate it. And you would do the same thing for Google. So you would basically log in to your Google account that is running the ads, find the ad account, put it in, and now instead of having to go to these different websites, like you're going to have to go to your Facebook account, your your Meta Business account, your Google account, you can have those all integrated in here, which is super nice because you can see it, but also for your clients. And this makes it super nice because now you've kind of created an ecosystem within GoHighLevel, and so now they're not having to go to all these different websites to find information, but everything is in one place and in their account. So that is how you connect your Facebook account and able to see live reporting for your Facebook ad campaigns within GoHighLevel. So I hope you all have a great day. If you're interested and want to kind of try out GoHighLevel, I actually have an affiliate link down in the description. So if you click that, it'll take you to the website where you can get a 14-day free trial and check it out before you actually put money down, and then you can see whether this is for you or not. So just wanted to share that info with you guys, and hope you have a good one.